Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Padmashri from SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to explain the concept called data science process from the subject Fundamentals of Data Science and Analytics. Let's move on to the concept. What is a data science process? It is a process of analyzing and interpreting the data. So, when you want to analyze data and you want to find out what are all the hidden trends or the patterns present in the data set, or you want to find out any relation between two data sets and the insights that can support decision making and strategic planning. So, a process which is involved in finding out the trends, correlations, and also used to find out decision making and strategic planning is nothing but a data science processor. So, it mainly involves in manipulating the raw data using the analytical and computational techniques to transform into valuable information. The raw data. So, what is called a raw data? Raw data is the unclean data. The data is not processed data. So, that data you are going to transform, you are going to change it into the valuable information. So, the process involved in cleansing the data is called, we can say it is a data science process. So, move on to the next. What are the various users, various professionals who use it, who use that this data science process? Or data engineers, data analysts, data architect, machine learning engineers, deep learning engineers. So, these are the persons, professionals using this data science, and we know that data engineers will be using it for analyzing, for building the data pipelines, managing the databases, and data analysts focus on analyzing the data, generating the reports, visualizing the insights. Data architects will be used designing the data storage and management system, and machine learning professionals they use for develop, optimize and deploy the machine learning model. Deep learning engineer uses for advanced neural network model such as for generating the image, audio and text. These are the various professionals who use the data science process. The main picture, we will move on to the main picture, how a data science process works. What are all the life cycle? First is the data collection, data cleaning, EDA, exploratory data analysis, model building, model deployment. These five are the very important steps in data science life cycle, data science process life cycle. So, data collections, we all know collecting the data, informations from the multiple sources such as the data bases, application programmable interfaces, surveys, logs, sensors, or from the web scraping. These are the ways that we can collect the data. So, data cleaning, as I already explained, the cleaning is removing the unwanted information, irrelevant details from the data set. So, it mainly the cleaning focuses on correcting the error, handling the missing data, removing the irrelevant records and converting the data into the structured format. This is a data cleaning. The third, exploratory data analysis, used to understand the data in detail, in depth, by just applying all the descriptive statistics and visualization techniques. So, model building, in this stage, the suitable machine learning model or algorithms will be selected. Machine learning algorithms are selected and trained on the past historical data. So, model deployment, after the validation, the trained model. So, in the previous step, model building will be selecting the machine learning algorithm to train the model. Okay. So, after the validation, model deployment, the model is deployed into the production environment, which means the model, the performance of the model will be continuously monitored and updates as if we have any new data that will be updated. So, this is the final deployment of the model is the fifth stage. So, these are the very important steps of data science process. Data collection, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, model building and model deployment are the 5 stages of the design process. The challenges that we face is the data quality and availability and the bias in data and algorithm, overfitting and underfitting, model interpretability, privacy and ethical consideration. These are the challenges that we have to overcome, and these all we had discuss problem definition, the recap of the design process. So always we have to start with the problem definition. If we choose any problem that have to be clearly defined, then after that we have to move on to for collecting the relevant data for that problem based on the problem statement, and we need to do the data cleansing, that is pre-processing of the data. Then exploratory data analysis, in depth we are going to analyze what is the problem statement, what we have to do. Then modeling, selecting the choosable machine learning algorithm, model evaluation and validation, check whether the model is working appropriate for the selected algorithm. Then finally deploy the model. We can see whether we are getting the actual output or not. These are the stages of a design data science process. So thank you everyone.